Hey there, future millionaires. Are you a chemist or chemistry student? What if I told you that your scientific knowledge could become your ticket to financial freedom? Most people think chemistry is just for labs and research, but here's the truth. Chemistry can make you rich, if you know how to use it like a business. Let's be honest. Most chemistry professionals spend years in education and work hard in labs, but they struggle to monetize their knowledge beyond a paycheck. They wait for jobs instead of creating opportunities. Why? Because no one teaches them that chemistry plus entrepreneurship equals massive potential. Chemical reactions are not the only way to create value. Formulas can be turned into real products. Products that people use every day: cleaning sprays, cosmetics, car care, agriculture solutions, even pet products. You already have the technical skills. Now it's time to think like a creator, a producer, a business owner. So here are 5 chemistry-based businesses you can start with minimal investment. People love organic, handmade products. You can create and sell soaps, creams, or even shampoos using basic chemistry and natural ingredients. Nanotechnology-based sprays protect car paint and windows. They're easy to formulate, and the profit margins are huge. More people are ditching harsh chemicals. You can create green, biodegradable cleaners and sell them locally or online. This is a growing market in construction and crafts. Resin-based products made from biomaterials are sustainable and in demand. Every town and industry needs clean water. If you understand basic water chemistry, you can create anti-scale, anti-algae, or pH-balancing chemicals for small systems. And the best part, most of these businesses can be started from home, without a full lab. This video is just the beginning. In this YouTube series, I'll guide you through 30 different chemistry-based business ideas step by step. You'll learn how to create, market, and sell with zero fluff. So if you're ready to turn your chemistry skills into a powerful income stream, subscribe now, and let's make chemistry work for your wallet.